You are unmuted.
Oh, sorry, my thing went off. Mute me.
Let me fix that. It's in settings. Allow participants to unmute themselves.
I'm going to mute myself because I need to do something and I don't want to make noise.
We will be starting in a moment.
Welcome to the Daisy Brownie Playdate. This is our rehearsal meeting. Please wave or give me a thumbs up so I know you can hear me.
Yes.
So our host for today is going to be Brooke. She's going to be our Zoom host. I'm going to be the co-host. I'll jump in and help her when she needs a hand, but for the most part, she's going to be the one who's leading and telling you what you're going to be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and have Brooke unmute herself, and she'll let you know when you need to mute or unmute.
Today is a practice run, so we will not be making all of the crafts or play all of the games. We are practicing to make sure we are ready to virtually teach the daisies and brownies. At the end of today, we will be able to have a better idea how to improve so we are more effective on May 30th, which will be our Daisy Brownie Playdate.
In meeting settings, allow guests to rename themselves. The Zoom participant list often has a parent's name. To eliminate confusion, Scouts should rename themselves. Go to Participants, find your device, click Rename. Just use your first name. If participants cannot rename themselves, the host or co-host can rename the participant. The reason why we're asking everyone to rename themselves with their first name is we want to make sure everyone knows how to do it, and that way when we're on with the daisies and brownies, there's a very good possibility we're going to see their parent's name, not their name. So we want to make sure that you all know how to change your name and that you can help coach the other girls. Okay, Brooke.
Now, please make sure you are using your gallery view so you can see everybody and not the speaker's view, I do have to do that. So now I'm on gallery view. Is everybody on gallery view? If so, give me a thumbs up. Okay, looks like everybody is good. Now Bella will share the American flag and lead us in the pledge. Then she will share the promise and law and lead us in those two. Everyone, please unmute yourselves, and Bella, take it from here.
Please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America.
Now Bella will lead us in the promise and law.
On my honor, I will try to serve God and my country.
Now everybody may mute themselves. I will let the first three girls who will be presenting today what they are doing and who's first. First, we will have Adina teaching us the words and gestures for Gray Squirrel. Then we will have Isabella lead us in Girl Scout Simon Says. And after Isabella, Kate will show us how to make s'mores swap. But we won't actually be making it today. We will just be watching. Adina, show us how to do Gray Squirrel.
I don't see Adina. I'm going to text her mom. Why don't you go on to our second girl?
Okay, Isabella, you will be leading us in Girl Scout Simon Says. Everybody mute themselves except for Isabella.
Okay, so I'm going to be playing Simon Says, and for those of you who don't know, I will explain the rules. So if I say Simon Says jump, you want to jump. But if I say stop, you don't want to stop because Simon didn't say. So let's play a practice round. Simon says jump up and down. Simon says stop. Simon says touch your pen. Put your hand down. See, if you put your hand down, Simon didn't say. You're out. Okay, now let's play the real game. Simon says, tug on your vest. Simon says, point to your favorite patch. Do the Girl Scout salute. Brooke, you are now out because I did not say Simon says. Simon says, do the Girl Scout salute. That is all I have.
Great job, Isabella.
The next three girls who will be presenting are Arabella, Olivia, and Bella. First, Arabella, please unmute yourself and teach us your song, The Littlest Worm.
Like, I'd say a line and then you repeat it.
Everyone, please unmute.
Okay. This is how it goes. The littlest worm. And then you
The
repeat.
littlest worm.
I ever saw.
I ever saw.
So, Arabella, when you are teaching this song to the daisies and brownies, including us, you should speak up because I can barely hear you. I'm sure it's the same for a few other people here. Now, we will be going on to Olivia. She will be leading us in the Girl Scout trivia. Everybody, please unmute yourself.
So, first question is, what color is the daisy vest? Blue, red, brown, or yellow?
Blue.
Correct. Oh, and I forgot to mention, just like write down the number of points that you have. How many fingers do you hold up when you say the Girl Scout promise? 8, 3, 6, or 5? Isabella?
3.
Correct.
Now it is Bella's turn. Everybody, please mute yourselves except for Bella. Bella will now teach us how to make a nightlight craft. Everyone can make this craft now. Bella, you may now show the finished product or craft and then show us how to do it step by step.
So, what you're going to do is I'm just going to set up my camera here. Can everyone see this? Like,
Yes.
okay. So I'm going to say the steps you're going to need to do this. So you're going to need a piece of paper. Okay. And then you're going to need a plastic water bottle. This is actually an orange juice. You can take a pen or you can just mark it with something to know where you need to cut. And then just cut where that line is. Okay, so everyone give me a thumbs up when you have done that. Okay, it looks like everyone's showing me a thumbs up. So once you've done that, you're just gonna put your plastic water bottle on the paper, and then you're just gonna roll it around on here, or roll it up. And then take a piece of tape, and you're just going to put it all, stick it together with the piece of tape. Perfect. Okay, so now you're going to take a pen, and you're just gonna stab holes in your paper. Okay, so once everyone has done their holes, just give me a thumbs up. I'm still doing mine, but I'm just giving you guys a little heads up. So you're gonna take a phone or flashlight. I'm using a phone. You're gonna go and you're just gonna turn on your flashlight, like so, and then you're gonna place it on your table. And then you're gonna place your water bottle and with holes on top, and then it should create a nightlight effect. But it looks way better when the lights are turned off when it's nighttime. So there you have it.
That was a great job. That was a really fun craft. Super exciting.
Thank you.
Now, the next three girls who will be presenting are Bree, Tava, and finally me. Bree will show us how to make a Girl Scout puppet craft. Today we will not actually be making it, but we will watch how to. Everybody please mute themselves unless you're Bree.
So, I'm going to make a puppy dog craft. It looks like this. Girl Scout puppy. The supplies needed are glue, a black or dark colored marker or crayon, a pencil, some scissors, and a piece of paper.
So that way we can, there you go.
That does help a lot. Each time you do a step and you show us what it looks like, it really helps us to know what we're supposed to do.
Show the feet.
The pads of the feet. And you can do it facing outward if you want it to look like it's sitting. So it will look like this. And kind of line the ears up right here. Only glue the top part so that it can stay floppy. Eyes and a nose. And then you've complete your puppy.
Good job,
I
Bree.
think that is the cutest Girl Scout puppy I have ever seen. I love that they have level vests just like Girl Scouts do. That was a super creative idea and a super fun one. I love that the ears are still floppy. So cute.
Tava will unmute herself and lead us in bingo. And don't forget to unmute yourself when you have to say bingo. But while we're playing, if we are not saying bingo, we will be muted.
So everyone's gonna need a bingo board, or you can just make one. And we're doing numbers 1 through 28.
Don't forget to remind them that if you're doing numbers 1 through 28, there's really only 25 squares. So
Yeah.
they can use 28, but then they're going to skip some numbers.
The middle is a free space, right?
Yes. In the middle, you can do a free space or a star. This is what I did in the middle.
I finished my board. The only thing I want to make sure of is I didn't repeat any numbers and that I have a free space in the middle. And you can put them anywhere on the board as long as there's a free space right in the middle. Don't go over 28 and don't repeat any numbers. I see Olivia's. Looks perfect. I'm going to go ahead and put a thumbs up indicating that I finished my board and I'm ready. Go ahead and put a thumbs up with your little reaction if you are ready to begin bingo. While we're waiting for a couple girls to finish up, I went ahead and I posted a poll. Go ahead and you can select as many of those items as you'd like. The question says, what do you like about our virtual meetings? And it's okay to select more than one. Can you guys see the results? The most popular reason girls like to do this is to see their friends. The other popular answers are to talk to their friends, to do crafts, to play games. That's great.
The first number is 23. The second number, 4.
And Tava, that doesn't come across real well. Do you have a marker or a pen you could write with? We can't see what you're writing, but I know it's the number 4.
Yeah.
I heard it, I just can't see it.
The next number is 12.
Much better.